Hello and welcome to this special market segment. I am Manoj Dara. So despite regulatory concerns and uncertainty, crypto markets have recently experienced a significant recovery due to the growing investor sentiment toward the riskier assets. Bitcoin has rallied over 82% this year so far, but it's still below its record high of nearly $69,000 hit in November 2021.
Cryptocurrency market is heading towards a bullish pattern basically because the adaptability of cryptocurrency is growing day by day, and cryptocurrency has underlying blockchain in it. So blockchain as a technology is growing at a faster pace with a lot of products and end use like NFT, Metaverse and many other things regarding this. So cryptocurrency is a fuel to the blockchain and the technology. So as the technology grows, the people adopt the technology, the cryptocurrency will grow faster with the blockchain technology. So we are very positive on the technology part because India being a young country with a tech-based country, so this India will lead the Web3 or the crypto space soon.
मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जो क्रिप्टो एक टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट है और ये क्रिप्टो जैसा कि सौरभ ने बताया कि क्रिप्टो इज इक्विटी टू ब्लॉकचेन एंड देयर आर मेनी यूटिलिटीज ऑफ क्रिप्टो टोकन्स, सो इट विल डेफिनेटली वर्क एंड अर्ली मूवर एडवांटेज सभी को मिलेगा. माना कि अडॉप्शन में टाइम लगता है, अडॉप्शन इज अ प्रोसेस एंड वी स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि जल्दी से जल्दी जब गवर्नमेंट में कंसेंसस बनेगी, कई सारी कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी लॉ बना चुकी हैं एंड इंडिया एंड अदर developing countries are in line to frame the regulation on cryptocurrency.
The recent spike in the Bitcoin price and the largest cryptocurrency market was fueled by the various registrations of the Bitcoin exchange traded funds in the United States, including one by the BlackRock.
So I think it's not a kind of ETF because even there are lots of clarification from the finance, like is a different kind of instrument or different kind of thing. Is not actually the government or US is approving as a take crypto as asset. So, but I believe there are regulators coming up we have seen the MiCA regulator or we have seen the VARA regulator coming into Dubai. So I think it's going to be the good future about the tokenization or especially crypto when we declare crypto as asset.
Additionally, a report by British multinational bank StanChart Bank has highlighted that the Bitcoin could hit $50,000 by the end of this year and over $120,000 by the close of 2024. Increased miner profitability per Bitcoin mine means they can sell less while maintaining its cash flows, reducing net Bitcoin supply and pushing the Bitcoin prices higher, Standard Chartered analyst Jeff Kendrick wrote on Monday.
Standard Chartered has predicted Bitcoin's value to reach approximately $50,000 by the end of this year and $120,000 by 2024. And the question is, what will be the impact of this prediction on BTC? So I personally speak that these predictions come and go. There won't be a huge impact on these predictions, at least on BTC. The BTC's value or Bitcoin's value is basically derived from the fact that there's quite a lot of usability. People are trying to understand what it stands for. Plus, the crypto winter is almost over. The halving is on its way in 2024 itself. So all these factors are going to impact Bitcoin rather than prediction of any institution or any third party or any traditional institutes as such.
And furthermore, the impending halving in 2024 will increase the supply problems. That's what the analysts have said. Halving is scheduled occurrence that decreases the number of Bitcoin rewards accessibility to miners from about 900 per day to approximately 450. Every 4 years, Bitcoin is halved to keep it within the 21 million tokens cap.
There is something right now happening macroeconomically where there's a quantitative tightening across the world, which essentially means that they turned off the money printer in the USA, which means that the money supply for risk-on assets like Bitcoin and stocks potentially and exponentially decreased in the last 16 to 18 months, which is why a big bear market came around the world in tech stocks, Bitcoin, all of that. And also Bitcoin cycle generally lasts for 4 to 4.5 years, after which a bear market does come. The US Federal Reserve in the FOMC meeting in June explained something very beautifully, that they need to still increase the rates till 5.6%, and the rates right now at around 5.25%. I'm talking about the base rate of the US. This may get a little technical, but the essential thing is that they are not going to be switching on the money printers anytime soon, at least till early 2024. Which means that for some time, Bitcoin will not be able to do very well because the global money supply has only shut down. And if they're going to further increase rates 2 times more this year, there is a chance we see Bitcoin even go back to its low 20s. And if within the crypto ecosystem there's some issue which occurs, suddenly it can even break 20K. One more thing that will happen next year is also that the Bitcoin halving will happen sometime in April. And essentially, what you know is that since Bitcoin was invented, every time the Bitcoin halving occurs, the price of Bitcoin rises like crazy. There was a halving in 2016. There was a crazy bull market in 2017. There was a halving in May 2020. There was a crazy bull market in 2021. So there will be a halving next year, and we will see a crazy bull market starting. So yes, all of these things will right now fueling the engine, and something will ignite it in the next 6 to 8 months. And there will be a situation where you'll never be able to buy Bitcoin again at the price of $20,000-$25,000 again in your life.
Robert Kiyosaki, the bestseller author of the personal finance book Rich Dad and the Poor Dad, has also shown optimism towards the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and how it can opt as a safe haven asset in uncertain times.
Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 20% high from this year of January 2023. But having said that, I mean, it's not completely, I wouldn't say that, the crypto winter is completely over, because there are many people who have, who have purchased Bitcoin on, higher rates like $40,000, $45,000, $50,000. So unless and until we reach that point where, Bitcoin kind of comes back to that level of, let's say, $45,000 to $50,000 of range, I would still say that there's just a bit of skepticism in this whole aspect of Bitcoin going somewhere, or the crypto winter getting over. But having said that, by the end of this year, it's predicted, definitely, it's still a prediction and an assumption, but it's predicted that Bitcoin may regain its $45,000 to $50,000 worth of price.
Bitcoin price forecasts are nothing new. Among the most enthusiastic is the ARK Investment Manager, CEO Cathie Wood, who recently doubled down on her predictions that the Bitcoin will reach $1 billion by 2030.